Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix the professional mode if it's not showing over on Facebook. The process is going to be very simple and it's gonna be same for Android and as well as for iOS. Just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So first of all, you're gonna go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, and over there you have to search for Facebook and check if there is any update available for the Facebook. Then update the Facebook to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. Alright, so after updating the Facebook, now you're gonna go hold the Facebook application and click on App Info. Now once you're in the App Info, now you're gonna go to storage usage and simply click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory will be cleared and you will get a resetted version of Facebook. After clearing the corrupted cache, now you're gonna go back and click on force stop to force stop the Facebook application. Alright, so we have done. Now just simply go to the home page. Now relaunch the Facebook application, and most probably this time you will not face any kind of problem. Your professional mode will be fixed. And in the case if it's still the same problem, then in the last you can go and contact with the help center for the professional mode. So this is basically how you can fix the professional mode of Facebook. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.